With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. Question here is the identify 1 and 2 from the diagram given below. So here two diagrams are given. This one is the first and this one is the second. We have to find out this diagram belongs to what. Okay. So firstly, when we're talking about the bacteria here, okay, we know that bacteria can be divided into the two groups. Okay. And these two groups are divided on the basis of the staining, or we can say that process called as the crystal staining. Okay, crystal violet staining. So by this process we can conclude that we can divide the bacteria into two groups, and these two groups are such as the first one is the gram positive, okay, gram positive bacteria, and the second group here is the gram negative bacteria. Okay, so these are the diagram that belongs to the gram positive and gram negative bacteria here. So when we're talking about this gram positive bacteria, okay, the first one is the gram positive bacteria. So this bacteria having the thicker layer, okay, thicker layer of the peptidoglycan, okay, peptidoglycan that make up the cell wall, okay, that make this thicker layer of the peptidoglycan make up the cell wall in the gram positive bacteria, and after the staining it becomes the, or we can say that it stain the purple in gram stain test, okay, it becomes purple in the gram stain test. Okay, whereas when we're talking about the second kind of the bacteria here, the gram negative bacteria, okay, so what is the gram negative bacteria? This gram negative bacteria cell wall is composed of, they also acquire the cell wall that is composed of the thinner layer, okay, here it is the thicker layer of the peptidoglycan, here it is the thinner layer of the peptidoglycan. Apart from the peptidoglycan, in the gram negative bacteria, they also, this peptidoglycan layer is surrounded by the, it's surrounded by the outer membrane, okay, outer membrane, and this is the major difference between the gram positive and gram negative bacteria. This outer membrane in the gram negative bacteria is formed of the, or it is contains the unique components such as the lipopolysaccharide, okay, it contains lipopolysaccharides. Then apart from this component, they also contain some proteins and phospholipids, okay, and phospholipids. So here when we talking about this structure here, we can see that clearly this is the thicker layer of the peptidoglycan, whereas this is the thinner layer of the peptidoglycan. So on the basis of this, we can assume that this one is the gram positive bacteria and this one is the gram negative bacteria. Okay, here outer membrane is also present. Okay, this outer membrane is also present in gram negative bacteria. So on the basis of this, we can conclude that our right answer is first one is the gram positive bacteria and the second one is the gram negative bacteria. Apart from this, the rest of the option, the first here gram negative and gram positive second, this one is the wrong. Third is the bacterial cell wall with capsule, so this is not the diagram of the capsule, this one is also wrong. Next, fungal cell wall, so fungal cell wall is made up of the cellulose, okay, so sorry, it is made up of the chitin, so this one is also wrong. So the right answer for our question here is the option number 1. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.